Hello, Kayo. Good evening.
Good evening, teacher.
How are you today?
I'm fine.
Oh, that's great. That's good to hear that you're fine. And teacher Anne is very happy for that. Okay, what is that? Oh, it's your bag.
I put my pencil case to write because I write this already.
Okay, the last time you have 800 points and 22 bonus. Am I right?
Yes.
822 bonus. Okay. So now, Kayo, we need to have speaking class. Okay. So teacher Anne
Okay.
will going to share you something about speaking class.
Because it's easy for me.
Oh, that's easy for you. Okay, let's see. Okay, for our, I have. What did you do in school today?
I'm studying my friend
And you didn't go to for a football play? Not anymore.
to play football.
Okay, that's good to hear. So now we are cat 2 for speaking since we left out the speaking, so we are now in speaking class. So in speaking class, you will allowed to talk 8 to 10 minutes. That's time allowed. And then normally what you will going to do, you will do the speaking test with another. Then the you two will to meet the examiners. Actually, this is only uh, for, okay. Now all you have to do, KO, is just to speak as much as you can with your teacher. Okay, so you will have to speak, you will have to practice, and you will have to follow teacher and instruction. So just in case I am asking you to, sorry. So just in case I am asking you some question, of course you will have to answer me loudly. Okay, do you understand, teacher?
Yes.
Of course. Okay, very good, Gail. Okay, next one here. So in part one, okay, don't worry that speaking is also graded, and I will also give points after you correct or after you answer my question.
Okay.
Okay. First one, do you like reading?
Yes. I
Oh,
like reading.
okay. What sort of books? Okay, I will give points first. Okay, wait. Teacher Anne will give points. Speaking class. Okay. So, what sort of books do you like, Leo?
I like a comic book.
Okay, I like a comic book. Do you often read books in your free time?
No. In my free time, I often play with my friends more than reading book.
Okay, very good. So, it's 3. Where do you often buy the books? Where do you often buy the books?
I often buy a book in the bookshop.
Very good. Okay, now, have you ever read an ebook? You know what is ebook?
I don't know what is ebook.
The ebook is the book that you can read and you can find in your mobile, or if you have an iPad. Do you have iPad at home?
No, I don't have iPad.
Okay, if you have computer or if you have, what's that? Mobile, you can have the ebook. You can download and you can read it there. So you don't need to have the book as in the literal book like like this when there is paper.
Is it Facebook?
No, not Facebook, of course. It's some kind of a book that you will going to read. So it's not necessarily that you will have a book like this when there is cover and then there is pages like front page and the back page. So all we have to do is just to scan. No, this is a paper actually. So a book is not like a book. Ebook is not like a real book. Ebook is you can find in the computer. It's like an apps. It's an apps in the computer. You will just go there and you can read the books that you want. It's ebook. Okay? So you may try it. You may search that. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Now talk about your favorite book that you have read. Okay.
My favorite book is Sheen.
Oh, can you tell me about that?
It was a funny comic with lot of actor.
Wow, so you really like funny books. I mean, you really like watching or reading a comic book.
Yes.
Okay, very good. That's good to hear, Kaya. Okay, so that is in part 1, Kaya. Okay. So you have here every question of the teacher, that's 1 point. Okay. So teacher got 6 questions. So you got 6 points. Okay. That's good.
Okay.
Just answer, teacher Ann, properly. I want to hear your answer properly. Okay, here. Now, we have here the book genre. Can you read this one? This is not genres, okay? Can you read book genres? This is not genres, okay? Look at here, this word. Book genres is not read as genres. It is read as genre, okay? Genre, okay? What are the book genre? Okay, we have here, there are different kind of books here. We have fiction, legend, tall tale, fantasy, mystery, poetry, fable. When we say fable, in this book, you can read all about animals. The fable or what's the animals? Mostly the characters here are animals. So another we have here, fairy tale. Okay.
I know.
Oh yeah, are you familiar with fairy tale?
I read the fairy tale already.
Yeah, very good. When we say math, what do you mean by the word or the book math?
I don't know.
Okay, a math book that is mostly it is on the time of the Greek mythology. So mostly we can hear this about the god and goddesses. You can find here who is the god of fire, who is the god of beauty, who is the god of underworld, who is the god of seas, and who is the god of the heaven.
Of lighting.
Oh, god of reading? Okay.
No, storming.
Oh, god of?
Storming.
Storming. Oh, there is a god of fire. There is a god of storm. Teacher Ann will tell you about that. Who is the god of storm? And also with math, okay, we have your informational book. So all the information that you want to know, you will have to find it here. And when we see adventure, you know what is adventure?
I know adventure.
Yeah, really. So adventure.
Like we adventure around the world.
Wow. So you will have
like this.
Very good. Oh, so when you try to do a trip around the world, that's an adventure. So in this book, you can find a lot of adventure. Another folk tale, fairy tale, and fantasy, they are just quite the same. So when we say science fiction, what kind of book is this?
It's about a robot.
Okay, very good. It's all about Science. Anything about science or anything that you want to know about science, this you can find in the science section. Okay. When we see here, this is all the book genre. Okay, now, this is the ebook that Teacher Ann told you. Can you see that? Can you see that? That's an ebook. Yeah. Everything you know about that, you can read it there. That's ebook. Okay. Okay. This is the one, this is the ebook, electronic book. The ebook means electronic book because you can read a book through the electronic. Very good, Gayo. And this one is what we call the printed book. This is the book where you can read by pages. Okay, Gayo, do you understand, teacher? Okay, wait for a while. I'll have to take a look for a while. Okay. Kaya?
Okay.
Can you see that one? This is the example of the printed book. Yeah, can you see that one? So this is the example of the printed book in which you can have this cover and there is pages. So this is the printed book. Okay? Okay. Yeah, so that is the difference between e-book, which is the electronic book, and the printed book. Okay, wow, look at this one. Okay,
this was e-book.
You got in part 1Q, you've got 6 points. Okay, I will take note with this. I will have 6 points for you. Okay, yeah, very good, Gayo. Okay, now. So we have here, okay, good points. You have 6 points. Name, author, the content of the book, the reasons why you like it. Okay, so this is the book here. So in the book, there is an author. In this one, the author is Rick Warren. You know what is the author? The author is the one who writes the book.
Who write the book? Very
good. Yes, exactly, Keo. She or he is the one who writes the book. Okay. 1 point, Keo. Okay. Another. When we see what is the content of the book, what do you mean by the word the content of the book?
Is mean
what is that?
I don't know.
Okay. When we say the content of the book, it is what is inside the book that you want to read. Why do you like the book? Because the content of the book or what is inside the book is very interesting. And I like a t-shirt. That's why I read a book. Okay? Okay, Kaya? Okay. So when we say content of the book, this one inside the book, this one. What can you read about that? Okay? Now, example, the comic. What is the content of the comic?
I think it's a funny.
It's the
funny book.
It's a funny book. Oh, being funny book here, that's the reason why you like to read the comic because it's so funny, right? It's picture, right? Very good. Okay. So I will give you another 1 point for that. Okay, very good. So do you understand this, Keo? Do you understand what teacher Ann tell you?
Yes.
Okay, thank you. Okay. Okay, look at this one. Can you see?
Oliver Twist.
Oh, the Oliver Twist. Okay. Look, this is the book, the title of the book. Okay. Can you read this one? My favorite book.
My favorite book is Oliver Twist by
Charles
Charles
Dickens.
Dickens.
It is
It
about
is about the journey of a pen snake boy in the Italian
period.
period. This book was very interesting and attractive that you can put it down.
Okay, yes. So what's the reason why you like? Example, I will ask you. You told me your favorite book is about She, the comic book. Okay. I will ask you, why do you like the book? What's the reason why you like and reading that one?
Because it was a funny book.
Okay. And aside from being funny, what's that? What's the other reason? Why do you think?
When you put it up, you just laugh it.
Wow, really?
And take it up when you read it.
Okay, wow. So that's the reason why you like to read that book, that comic book, because you keep on laughing. Like that?
Yes.
Okay. Probably it's a very funny one. Okay, thank you for that, Keo. Now, speaking part 2 and speaking part 1, you got 8 points total. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, very good. So I will have to answer some questions. I will show you some questions. And of course, you will have to answer this one. Okay. I know speaking is very easy. So as you can see this one, at the left side, there are information. So you will have to review and you will have to look after that one. So, and in the right side, there are questions. The questions that you think that will probably fit or that will probably answer with what is in the left. Okay? Okay, now.
Okay.
What you're going to do is you will have to answer the questions given by teacher. And teacher will ask you, and every correct answers, you will be given
Teacher,
points.
I can see open at Sunday course.
Oh, wait. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So you will have to read this one. I'll study first that one and we'll ask you later. Okay?
Teacher, I can see open at Sunday anywhere.
Okay. So where is the library?
The library is in New Island House, Museum Street.
Okay, it's in New England House, Museum Street. Okay, very good. 1 point. And it is closed?
It was closed at 6 p.m.
Very good. It's closed at 6 p.m. And it is open on Sunday? Open on Sunday? Do you think open? Yes or no? Just answer yes or no. No, because it's only, why? Because?
It's only open on Monday and Saturday.
Very good, Keo boy. It's only open every Monday and Saturday. So therefore, no Sunday. Okay? Do you understand me?
Yes.
Do you understand me? Oh, very good. Okay, next one here. So how much is the cost?
It's 100 forget.
Okay, there are over. How much is the cost? Is there a cost?
It's over 100.
Over 100. Okay, very good. Now, it is a foreign magazines? Foreign magazines or no?
Yes. It was a foreign magazine.
Very good. 5 points for that, Keo. Next. Okay, this is as easy as one. Okay, another. Now, let us talk about the library. Since we are talking about books, of course, we have to talk about library. Okay, what do you mean by library? What is library?
Library is the place that has lot of books that you can read.
Very good, Kia. You've got 2 points for that. Okay. So, a library, it is the place where you are going to put all the books and then you can read it in the library. Yes. Okay, now here. So, look at this question number 2. Study the same thing. Study on the left side and I will ask question on the right side. That's again 5 points. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay. What sports? Okay, we are talking here about the holiday sports club. What is this sports?
The sport is football, basketball, volleyball, tennis, and baseball.
Very good. Okay, another. What is the address? Do you have the address for this?
Yes, the address is 27 London Road.
Okay, it's 27 London Road. Very good. Next, is this sports club for people of all ages?
It's only for young people, 10 to 18 years old.
Very good. It's not for all ages. It's only for 10 to 18 years old. Next, how much that it costs a week?
It costs 25 a week.
Very good. And when does it open?
It's open at.
When does it open? When?
It's open at every day.
At every day? Okay, play sports every day. Okay. It is open every day between July to August. Okay, very good, Gaya. So you've got 5 points for that again. Okay.
Teacher, may I go out?
Okay, for a while. Please come back.
Okay.
Okay, very good, Gayo. So now let's move to the other. Okay, we will move to the other speaking class for test 2 speaking class. Okay.
It was fast.
Okay, very fast for the speaking. Speaking need to be 2 lessons. Where is it? Okay, you like speaking?
Yes, because it was fast
Because it's easy?
and fast.
Okay, wait for a while. Okay, if you wait for a while, this is not the one. Speaking is very nice for you to develop on how you will talk properly. So that is why speaking is there, right?
Yeah.
Okay, I know
It
you.
was easy to be speaking.
It was easy to speak and to answer.
Yes.
Okay. So we are done with 2. We are now with test 3. So if you are not going to finish this because we don't have time, we'll just continue this tomorrow. Tomorrow, Teacher Ann will do the speaking again.
Okay.
Okay, first, this is the part 1. So total for first speaking class, you've got a total of 8 plus 12 KO, you've got 20 points. Okay? Please take note, 800 plus 20 points. Okay?
800 plus 21 point equal 820.
Okay. So first question. Oh, where is it? Where are you, KO?
I'm here.
Wait for a while. What happened? Here. Okay. So for one this, okay, can you see this one? Okay. So first, how long have you learned English? Now we are going to talk about learning English. How long have you learned English?
I learned English for 20 hours.
Okay, I mean, how long have you learned English? When you were at what age? How old are you? You're 8, right? So is that 2 years ago?
I stopped at with you at 2019.
No, you start with me at 2020. That was May. You are my first students. Aside from teacher Ann, do you have other teachers?
Yes.
Before teacher Ann, do you have other teacher?
Yes.
Okay, is he a Vietnamese or a Filipino?
So one teacher is Vietnamese. One teacher is English.
A Filipino? No Filipino yet?
Yes.
No, like teacher Ann from Philippines? No?
No.
Oh, so I am your first Filipino teacher, right?
Yes.
Oh, so we've been here May, June, July, August, September, October, November. Wow, we've been together with 7 months. It's been too long, Keo. I hope you will still with me. We still
Wait.
have yeah.
I think it's 12 months.
Huh? What's that?
Wait, I think that we learn with is 12 months.
Ah, okay. Okay, so anyway, you learn English for quite a long time. Oh, that's the reason you are very good in speaking English. Wow, you're 8, but you speak English very well. Okay, next question. That's 1 point. Next question, Kayon. What time do your lessons start in the morning?
My lesson start at 7:10.
Okay, very early. And how many students are there in your class?
Once there are 22, but now another friend go to my school, then it's become 23.
So before you are 22. And now, one student transferred in your school. Mean transferred in your school, so you join in your school. One student transferred in your school, so it becomes 23. Okay, very good. Next. How do you go to school every day, Keo? That's number 4.
I go to school by motorbike.
Oh, motorbike. Okay. What do you like doing after school?
I like go at home and draw a picture. But today my dad draw a picture like this.
May I see? Wow, who made it? Who drew that one?
My dad.
Wow, you're very good. Your dad has a very good hand in drawing. Maybe you are like your dad because you are also good in drawing. Do you know how to do that?
Yes. I know how to. I don't know how to do like my dad.
Yeah, but you are very good in drawing because I saw it. I saw your dad and I saw you how you draw, right?
Yes.
Okay, next one here. Tell me something about your favorite teacher, the one you told me, the boy.
My favorite teacher is Mr. Ann.
Why?
Because she was friendly.
And
she gave me present.
Who is your favorite teacher?
It's Miss Teacher Ann.
Teacher and me? The teacher and me?
Yeah.
Oh, you like me because I am friendly and what else?
And you are ready to give me my husband.
Yeah. And Teacher Ann will give you present and I'll go there. Okay, I'll be planning to give you something and then I will be sending it there. I hope I can when there is no COVID. The virus really sucks, right? Virus is not good. Yes. Right. Okay. Don't worry, I will try my best to send something to you. I will give a present to you. I will send it. Okay. I will just. Okay, Keo. Okay, Keo, what happened?
I don't know.
It's just,
my internet is okay.
Don't tell me my internet is not okay. Okay, maybe because of the Zoom. The internet here is okay, but I guess the Zoom just turned around exactly. Okay, so we have here. Okay. Okay. Your favorite teacher is Teacher Ann. Yeah, thank you for that, Keo. And my favorite student also is Keo. Okay, so 1 point. Oh, how many points you got? You've got 6 points now. Okay. Now,
6.
You have 6 points for a while. I write it in here. Okay. So we
826.
Yeah, 826. 6. Okay. So now you ask me, how long do you have or did you learn English? So the answer is I have learned it for quite 2 years. Okay. You will use the word for. Look at teacher, you listen carefully about this. So when you use the word since, okay, look at this one. When you use the word since, that was already past. I have been living in Spain since 2012. So 2012, you are already living in Spain. Okay. So when you see the word for, okay, look at this. Okay, since it means that starting point, a time, and a date. So by 2012, you already live in Spain. So since it's mostly used in present perfect and present progressive tenses. Okay, look at the example. He has not eaten since 7 o'clock. Okay, this one, this has eaten, this is past perfect tense or present perfect tense because there is the word eaten. When you say have been working, do you still remember this? Teacher Ann told you this is progressive tense. When the verb to has ing, working, playing, singing, dancing, that's progressive tenses of the verb. Do you understand me? Do you understand, teacher?
Yeah.
Okay, exactly. Okay, now, so we will use the word since at the starting point. So by by 2012, we already live in Spain. Before. So when we say the word for, when you say, okay, for, I have been living in Spain for 6 years now. Okay. So when we measure the duration of something or how long it lasts. Okay, example, I studied English in Ireland for 2 years. Okay, how many years do you study English? 2 years. Okay, I asked you, Keo, how long have you learned English? For 2 years.
I learned English for 2 years.
Very good. I learned English for 2 years. For 2 years. Okay, that's, you use the word I learned for. Okay, another. But when you say since, look at this one. I learned English since 2018. Oh, sorry, 2018. Okay. Can you see the difference now? Look at that one. I learned English for 2 years already, teacher Ann, for 2 years. But you will use since. I learned English since 2018. So this is, there is a date. Can you see this, Keo? Can you see this one? There is a date.
Yes.
Okay. Here, there is a number. Okay. When you use the word for, this one, there is number. But when you use the word since, there is a date. Like 2018, 2019, 8 o'clock in the morning, like that. Do you understand, teacher?
Yes.
Okay, thank you, Keo. Very good. Because that you are listening to teacher and you keep on responding to teacher, I will give you 5 points. Exactly 5 points. Okay. So your score now is
Okay.
826 plus 5
One.
points. You've got 831. Okay. This is very easy. Okay. So can you see teacher Ann told you that when we use for, this is number plus time. 10 minutes, 8 hours, 6 months, for 3 years, 2 centuries. But when we see since, it is date. Monday, 8 o'clock, February 1982, last century, like that. Okay, do you understand this, Kia? You understand?
Oh, yes.
Okay,
Yes.
exactly, teacher. I understand about that. Okay, here. Okay, now, okay, we'll finish this. Okay, so we only have 3 minutes. Wow, you've got a lot of points. Okay, so we'll just finish this last lesson, this one. So here on the school, okay. Okay, what time do your lessons start every day? In English with teacher. What time do you, do you use or do you start your lessons start every day with teacher Anne? What time?
I think I start at 6:54.
Okay, that's 6:54 or 7 o'clock in the morning, in the evening. Number, how many students are there in your class with teacher Anne?
I think there are 9 students.
Okay.
Is that correct?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh, in my class, with teacher Anne.
This is the class.
Yeah, our class.
This is your class has 8.
Okay. No,
I'm really correct.
okay, my class with you is you are only my student. You have classmates here? You don't have classmates here. You're the only one. Okay. Okay, that's another 1 point. Okay. So the lesson start at, you tell me, 6:54 in the evening. And there is only 1 student in my class. Me only. Okay? Okay.